Hello everyone, hello Philippines, hello world, and hello universe. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel, Sir Freddy's Corner, where we can discuss anything and everything under the sun, so this can be a channel for positive conversation. Yes, today we are going to discuss about driving. Before we answer the question, how to really drive an automatic car. What are the step-by-step method on how to drive a car? I will share you my experience, especially my first day of experience of driving the car. Later on, you are going to ride with me so that we can learn some of the things that we can do and probably avoid some of the mistakes that I have committed so you can learn more. Thank you for those who already subscribed yesterday, and we made a record. From 26 subscribers after 24 hours, we have become 64 subscribers. That's almost 100% plus increase in terms of subscribers. Thank you so much. And for those who made and left comments in my YouTube channel on the first video which I uploaded on how to lose weight even without exercise, thank you so much, Ma'am Connie Concepcion. Thank you for saying that the video was very informative and you advised me to go on more with a lot of videos. Yes, Ma'am, I will. And to Sir Andres Martin, thank you, and that you said that you were inspired on how to lose weight, really even without exercise, by simply following the tips that I gave you. And to Sir Edward Padilla, thank you so much. And also to Maring Hershey, who even shared the video, my friend in Japan, thank you so much. And to those who also said positive comments, thank you so much. And you know, you are inspiring me more to create more wonderful videos that, you know, you can have a wonderful conversation together, and you know, we can learn from between and, you know, among each other. So thank you so much. And for those who are watching right now, please do subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so that whenever I come up with new videos, you are already notified. And let's answer the question, how to really drive a car, an automatic car like this, and what are the step-by-step method. And a little background, I bought my first car in 2017, and then something really happened which I want you to learn from it. And then I bought again another car last year, and this Toyota Avanza is really wonderful. So what are the steps, what are the do's and don'ts, and what are the things that we learned? So fasten our seatbelt so we can start driving, and you join me here in Famy, Laguna. Now I have already buckled up. Let's ride in. Welcome to Famy, and this is my first ever driving on my own by myself without my instructor from the driving school. I'm right here in Famy, and with me is Casey. She's my first passenger ever, so ride with me as we navigate Famy, and it's narrow road. So this is absolutely extra challenge. So as my instructor told me, I have to start it. And then when you feel it, not yet. As they say, kumagat, no? Then go right away to the brake. Oh, I forgot to turn up the aircon a while ago. But anyway, so they said now when you turn it off the engine, you also have to turn it off everything. Turn off everything. But anyway, that's my mistake. So we are going to drive from here in Barangay Asana, near the school area. We're going to Damayan, and maybe go to Bulihan. Okay, so let's do it. Ride with me. But this will be very, very slow. I'm very afraid of children and bikes and motors and of course other stuff. So help me God. Thomas was just blessed this morning right after the second mass at 9:30 a.m. Okay, here we go. I'm putting now it in a drive. Okay, and according to my instructor, Casey, your seatbelt Okay?
Okay, gusto.
Okay, I'm also wearing. Okay, here we go. So we are moving now, if you notice, everyone. Yeah? I'm not holding the gadget because that's against the law. That's distracted driving. So you see, here's the first hump. Okay, according to the... Here we go. So we're gonna call... Oh yeah, there is there. So we are like calling somebody here. That's that's we cannot open the door yet, the window yet. Sige. Hi there. So we're visiting my BFF. We cannot open the window yet because the tint is new according to Toyota. So okay. Sige, we're going ahead. But Maima is there.
Ay.
Sige, park natin muna. Hello there.
Post ka na.
No, we're moving. We are going. So. Kita ba yung may ano? Ayun.
May Bombay.
Yeah. So that's what I'm going to be careful about.
Diretso lang, sir.
Diretso lang. So look at that. Did you see the tricycle? And there's like a Yakult here that I have to avoid. Is it a little far?
Hindi mo wait.
Yeah.
Wow.
But there are children. They won't even move. Okay, so at least that was great, right?
Ayun. Bilis-bilis na, sir.
Yeah. But that's like 5 kph.
Bata.
Look at the children. They're calling me. The children are calling me.
Ayan, sir. May ano.
Is there like a tricycle? So, and there are hollow blocks. Look at those hurdles that I'm going to make. Saying hello to. What about?
Diretso lang, sir.
Okay, derecha. As they say, derecha meaning going forward. Can still say bye. Hello, Wena. Oops. Okay. Hello po. So before driving, check your car's blow bag, where blow bag stands for B, battery. Check the context for signs of corrosion in anything. It can be lower voltage or whatever, so there is a need for charging. L, lights. Turn on all the lights, headlights, taillights, daytime running lamps, etc. O, for oil. Using your car's dipstick, check if the level of your engine oil is near full and has the viscosity similar to a honey. So before, embarking on a long journey, check the oil. W, water. So please check the hydration of your car. B, brakes. So does it feel like your car skids even if you stomp the brake pedal hard? So you have to be careful with the brakes. Air. It's not just enough to fill your tires with air. There should be proper inflation so that you can have the proper driving. And letter G, gas. This is not solely confined to filling up your tank to the brim, but knowing where the stations will be when you go to a road trip will make sure you won't find your car on the sidewalk because of an empty tank. And here's the recap in driving the automatic vehicle in drive mode. Once again, you have to focus. Concentrate in driving. No using of gadget. No driving under the influence of alcohol or anything bad. Always remember the blow bag. So, 1. Start the car. Twist the key and feel the starting engine. Then, number 2, select your gear. Select the drive. Slowly release the parking brake. Check your surroundings. Then get your car moving. Your surrounding with all the humps, with all the cars and all the children. You have to be careful with all the challenges around you, the surroundings. Turn the steering wheel to turn the car. Then apply the brakes to slow down, especially with our humps or children, or stop the car. Then go to park the car. Finally, you're able to drive, but you have to be driving slowly and carefully.